street lamps drown in river mist. My coat still smells of your perfume. The ferry horn cuts through the dark like a question with no room. You kiss me where the trams once turned, then vanish like the morning fall. Now every string I bend returns to the silence you left roaring tall. I sing with starlight in my veins, not to be heard but to tear the night apart. Each cry a blade through velvet lies you spun. Let the amp scream what my hands have done. Bells gutter in the chapel where we swore we'd never part. Now the saints look down with hollow eyes at the ruin of a faithful heart. You called it love, it was just a stage with exits marked in salt and rust. I play the role without a page, my rage refined to sacred dust. I sing with starlight in my veins, not to be heard but to tear the night apart. Each cry a blade through velvet lies you spun. Let the amp scream what my hands have done. But mine echoes off the stone. I'll carve this ache into the flame till metal learns to weep alone. I sing with stormlight in my veins.